Hi guys, I'm Maita and I am a palmer clay artist from the Philippines. So this is just the diary na I'm pretty sure next month din ulit ako mag-update. Pero I will try my best na every week mag-update ako. This is not an update for everyone, but this is just an update for my future self that for today, as of today, ano bang date ngayon, April 7, 2025. So far, wala ka pang may naabot. Siguro, yan. Kaka-receive mo lang ng cutting pad from Shopee. Pero, um, so far, hindi pa ganun ka-successful yung business natin. Mm, Future, future self, siguro, if by, after 10 years and kung successful ka na, be kind, be humble, and maintain yung talino or ang tawag nun, those intellectual na na-earn mo throughout the years. And also, be kind to others always. And I really hope that na-achieve mo na ang lahat ng dreams natin. So far, wala tayong ganun ka-wide na community, but I'm pretty sure na kapag yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi pa nangyayari today is that I really hope that someday those good thoughts na mga bagay na iniisip mo noon na nangyayari sa family mo and then sa self mo is that sana mangyari. But for now, I have to concentrate muna dun sa pag-market and then pag-study ng algorithm on how to trend or hindi naman trending na million views, but then at least those potential customer na tina-target mo is like makuha mo. And also, kung ano man ang mararating natin in the future is that I really hope na makakapag-pahati sa atin and everything. I know that there will be some struggles in life na mararanasan natin, pero like go lang ng go kasi hindi naman lahat is like mapi-please natin. So I really hope that you will still open for some learnings, especially in life and business. I know that we are not born sa business world, pero just keep on learning, dreaming. Siyempre sa akin siguro dreaming lang is like wala kang, because you're just dreaming. Siguro, ang tawag nun, maging like sa isip mo talaga yung goal mo na tutuparin mo yung mga goal mo in life and hindi ka dapat madi-distract sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi naman dapat ka-distract, diba? So, just, keep on try and try and try and try and try until we succeed, because we will be successful someday. Sa future self ko, I'm pretty sure if naabot mo na yung pangarap natin, is that you will watch this and while smiling. I really hope that it will happen soon, sooner or later.